Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to use Afterpay on Amazon. So if you're going to pay with Afterpay, and if you don't know if it's possible or not, well, in this video, I will show you because it is possible. So as you can see, first you'll need to install Afterpay on your Android device or on your iPhone. Make sure you open the Afterpay app. Now, as you can see, you can use Afterpay app to shop directly on Amazon. This is really good because after you log in and open the Afterpay app, you'll be able to go into the app and you'll be able to visit the shop. So once you visit the shop, you'll be able to navigate to the shop tab and select Amazon, because right here you will be able to shop through Amazon. So as you can see, Afterpay may get a commission through this, but no worries about that. So then, as you can see, you will be able to find an item, for example this item right here, add it to cart, and as you can see, simply shop on Amazon like you normally would through the Afterpay app. So you will just do it through the Afterpay app, and then if you're not already logged in, Amazon will prompt you to do and to log in. Now once you log in, you'll need to proceed to the checkout, and you will be basically paying with Afterpay. So you'll need to proceed to the checkout, and then all you have to do is add a credit card, debit card. You can pay with cash at location near you. You can add a personal checking account, or you can add your Venmo account, as well as the FSA or HSA card. So that's basically how to do it. You can also pay with Afterpay right here, buy now, pay later. And yeah, that's something that you can also do. So yeah, that's pretty much how to use Afterpay on Amazon. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.